Today I'm going to make you learn about the plants, okay, and the parts of a plant. Are you interested? Are you excited to know more about the plants?
Yes.
Yay, that's great. Give a high five. Now we are going to start it, okay? So now allow me a minute to share my screen. Then we'll start it. And one more thing, Prami, if you want, and you can just sit with the copy and pencil. If you want to just write down, if you want to have doubts, yes, very good. You can just ask me, okay?
Okay.
And now let me share my screen. Um, as you can see my screen, dear. Dear, you can just zoom it your screen. Just click on zoom your screen, okay?
But it's not working.
Now can you see my screen?
The zoom in is not working.
You can't see my screen clearly.
No, the zoom in is not working. My
And the
zoom.
zoom it is working now. Yeah, just click on zoom in. The screen will get zoom. Okay. So today we I'm going to make you learn about the plant parts and their functions. What are the parts of a plant and their functions? Okay. So Prami, whatever you can see the text which is written on the screen properly.
Ma'am, I my my laptop has crashed again. It's not working.
Oh,
Papa, crashed.
Crust. Okay.
Okay. It's now fine.
now it's fine.
Yes.
Okay, now you can see my screen properly.
Yes.
Okay, that's great. So now let's learn about the plant's parts and their functions, correct?
Yes.
So how many plant parts are there? There are many six plant parts are there, okay? So what are
Okay.
they? Any guess, Ramit? What are the six parts of the plant? Any guess?
Leaf, roots, and the stems, and the
Very
roots.
good.
The actually, I mean the branch.
Right. So now let's learn it. The first three we are going to learn it, which help plants to get water. Okay. The first three help plants get water, and that are, see, the first three plants the first three parts of a plant, okay. So these are the first who give the water, who give the food, and who just make it grow, okay. So we are going to that parts of a plant that helps plants to get water, to make food, and then grow. And then that's the three parts are roots, stems, and leaves, okay. With roots, stems, and leaves. So from the roots, from the stems, from the leaves, the plants can get water, they can prepare their own food, and they can grow, correct. So the first
Yes.
three parts of a plant is there. Now the rest three, the next three parts of the plant help plants to grow the new plants. See,
Yes, I can see that.
so the first three, root, stems, and leaves, are used to help plants to make grow, to make their food, correct, and to get water. And the next three simply helps to grow in plants, and they are flowers, fruits, and seeds. Because with the help of the flowers, with the help of the fruits, with the help of the seeds, we can create our own plants. Got it? So total, how many parts of a plant are there, Pramit?
6.
Six. Now what are they?
Uh, the leaves, the
Right?
roots,
Yes.
the branches, and the stems.
Branches. No, no, not branches. Only root, stem, leaves, then flowers, fruit, and seeds. Repeat again after me. Root,
Root,
start from down.
stem,
Roots, stem,
root,
and leaves. Okay. Now
root,
on the leaves, yes. Then
root,
flowers are coming on the
stem,
plants
and the
or
leaves.
seeds. Very good. Okay, now you got it about the six parts of the plant. So now let's learn one by one. Okay, see, these are the flowers, this is the fruits, these are the leaves, this is the stem. Okay, this is the roots, this is the stem, this is the leaves, flowers, this is the seeds, this is the fruits. So these are the parts of a plant. Now we are going to understand, now we are going to learn each part of the plant one by one. Are you ready now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The first part of the plant is the roots. Okay. So now what roots do actually?
Make the
Any idea?
plant,
What is the
make
help of the roots? Yes.
make the plants grow and feed the plants water.
Right. So roots which is hold the plant. See, this is the roots. This is the roots which is holding the whole plant in the soil. Okay. Roots hold the plant in the soil. That is the function of roots. And what the roots do? The roots just take the soil, take the nutrients from the soil and give it to the plant. Okay, that is a functioning of the roots. Okay, see,
Okay.
roots bring water and nutrients from the soil to the plant. This is what the roots do. So if anyone asks you, Pramit, what the roots do, okay, so you have to tell the roots brings water and the nutrients from the soil to the plant. Got it? Yeah.
Yes,
So now if I ask you what roots do, Pramit,
roots get uh, nutrients from the soil, water, and
yeah,
holds the entire plant
plant.
from
Very
in the
good.
soil.
Good, very good. And it is called the nutrients. What is called nutrients? Repeat
Nutrients.
after me. Nutrients. Very good.
Nutrients.
Now, the next we are going to learn about it. Roots are usually undergrounded. See, roots are usually undergrounded, but can be above ground too, like this. Means that sometimes you can see the roots also above the ground, and mostly the roots are undergrounded. Okay, we can't see it, but sometimes we can
Mm.
see, and the roots are can be above ground too, like this. See, you can
Ma'am,
see
I've
them
seen
like this.
a root outside. I've seen a root like that.
Yes, you have seen now. Sometimes
Yes,
you can see the roots are there and the up on the above ground too. Okay, so this
yes,
is the image of the roots, like where we can see it. Got it. Remember always, dear, the roots hold the plant to the soil. See, Now this is the roots. Now this is the ground. Now we can't see the ground. We can't see the underground, but the roots holding the plant, okay, to the soil. Got it? This is the very important. Now let's learn about the stem. What the stems are? Stems hold the plant up above ground. Okay, root, what's the roots do? Roots hold the plant to the soil. But what the stems do? Stems hold the plant up above the ground. Above the ground. Okay,
Yeah.
like above the ground, who is holding the plant? Stem. And below the ground, underground, who is holding the plant? Roots. Okay.
Okay.
Now stems, what stems do? Stems carry water and food.
Food,
Stems carry water and
water,
food.
and food.
Now, how water? Because because roots carry water and the nutrients from the soil. Okay. Now, roots send that water and nutrients to the stem. So stem carry water and food from the roots. Okay, and send it to the whole plant. Send it to the whole plant. So
Whole
simply
plant.
you have to say what stems carry?
Stems carry uh, nutrients, food.
Only the water and the food. Okay, to the plant. See, stems carry water and food to the plant. Got it till here? Now,
Okay.
stems are the delivery system of the plant because through the stem, you can send the water, you can send the nutrients, you can send the food throughout the plant. Throughout the plant.
Okay.
See, roots gets water and the nutrients from the soil. Got it? Right? And
Yes.
next is what? And the stems carry that water and the nutrients throughout the plant. So that is the step to step wise there. Because roots are underground. So they get water and they get nutrients from the soil. Okay. Now what steps
Okay.
are above ground, which is holding the plant up. Okay. Stems are holding the
Okay.
plant with the roots, with the soil, with the ground. Okay, but the stems are holding the plant up above the ground. Fine. Roots holding the plant underground and steps holding the plant above the ground. Next point is what the roots take. Roots take water and the nutrients from the soil, and what stems take. Stems take that water and the nutrients from the stems, sorry, from the roots, and give it to the whole parts of the plant, whole plant. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Now what needs to remember, that stems hold the plants above ground. What the stems do? Stems hold the plants
Hold the
above ground.
whole ground.
Very good. Now next is the leaves. What leaves do? Leaves are on the end of the stems of the plants. See, these are the leaves, my dear. These are the leaves which is on the plants. Okay, which is on the
Okay.
plants. Yes. Yeah. So leaves are where plants make most of their food. Okay. So leaves are the one where plants can make their own food. Okay, so that only leaves are preparing the food for whole plant. Only leaves can prepare their own food for the whole plant. Okay, now the next learn is because how to make the food. Now how the leaves can make the food, because leaves takes in air also. They use air, water and sunlight to make food. Got it? They
Yes.
what are the three things to use it? They use air also, water also, and sunlight from the sun. water from the roots, and air from air to make food. So this is how the leaves are preparing their own food for the whole plant. So with the help of the leaves, the food can be prepared. Okay, that's why the
Okay.
leaves are more important. Now, what needs to remember? The leaves are on the end of the stems. See, leaves, these are the leaves. Next,
Yes.
the parts that help the plant. Just now we have learned how to, just now we have learned about the roots, stems, and plants who make the plant get water, make their food, and to grow. Correct? Now we are going to learn the parts that help the plant to create a new plant. So, what are those 3 points? What are those 3 parts? Flowers, fruits, and seeds. Remember? Hello, Ramit, you
Yes,
there?
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
now let's learn about flowers. Flowers are what? Are like leaves. These are the flowers, and it is looking like leaves. Okay, like leaves grow on the end of the stems. Flowers, okay, flowers are also kind of leaves, which is grow on the plants, grow on the stems. Now, flowers are often the most colorful part of the plant. Yes, as you have seen that if you are seeing the flowers on the plant, so each and every flower is different. One is red in color. Let's say if I'm talking about rose, rose is red in color. Sunflower is in yellow in color. Correct. Some flowers are purple in color. Some flowers are white in color. So every flowers is having their own different colors. So when we see the plant, so what we see the colorful in it, the flowers, because flowers is having their own different colors. So flowers are the most colorful part of the plant. Like this one, see there are different kind of flowers are there. Orange in color, violet in color, yellow, white, blue, pink. Correct? That is why it is the
Yes.
most colorful part of the plant. The rich colors of flowers helps attract pollinators.
The
See,
rich colors of the flower help attract the
pollinators.
pollinators.
Because actually, what is pollinated means that with the after pollinated flowers can make seeds and fruits. That's why flowers, seeds, and fruits help the plant to create a new plant. With the help of the flowers, we can create a new plant. How? Because it attracts the pollinators. Pollinators means it is having the seeds inside it. Okay, so flowers can make their own seeds, and with the help of the seeds, the fruit will be, then we are just getting the fruit. We just get the fruit. So that's why the plant grow, and it creates a new plant. Okay, see. Okay, so do you love fruit?
Yes.
Oh, which is your favorite fruit, Ramit?
Kiwi.
Kiwi. Very good, nice fruit.
And also green mango.
Green mango. Oh, so fine. So why kiwi? Why you love kiwi so much?
Because it's also sweet and sour.
Right, right. Very good, yeah. Very nice. Now let's learn about the fruit. See, fruit hangs on the hand. See, these are the fruits. Apple, right? So these are the
Yes.
fruits. So what is fruits now? The fruit's job is to hold the seeds. If anyone asks you what fruits do, fruits it's to just holding the seeds. Holding
Seeds.
the seeds. Okay?
Seeds.
Yes, holding the seeds. You can fruit is either picked or eaten or falls off the plant and rots. You can either picked or you can eaten or it falls up of the plant. Okay. So
Okay.
what it's to be remember that fruit is the tasty stuff on the stem, means that fruit is the item which we can eat, and when we eat we feel good because it is very tasty. Yes, it is very tasty.
Tasty.
Correct. Seeds hide inside of the fruit. See, papaya. Now when you eat papaya, so you see a lot of seeds are inside in the fruit papaya. See, the seeds
Yes.
are hide. Seeds hide inside of the fruit. Correct? Like you can see the image of the papaya. So with the help of the seeds, the fruit is generated. Okay, so with the help of these seeds, only we can see the papaya. You are eating the papaya. Without seeds, you can't eat any fruit. Correct?
Without seeds, why we cannot eat any food?
Seeds only you can, with the help of the seeds only you can eat the fruits. Okay. So if anyone asks you what seeds do, seeds grow into new plants. Okay, seeds grow into new plants. We can get a new fruit, we can get a new plant. Okay, now you understood here.
Yes.
Are you sure now?
Yes.
So these are the different parts of the plant and its function. Okay, so Pramit, let's revise quickly in 2 minutes, like what you have learned today. You have learned the six parts of a plant. So what are the six parts of a plant? Kindly name them.
The root, the stem, the leaf,
Okay,
the,
very good.
the flower, and the fruit.
And one more thing.
Uh,
In the papaya, what you have seen just now?
Seeds.
Very good. Okay. So these are the six parts of the plant. Now, first three parts of the plant is root, stem, and leaves. What they do? They help the plant to get
Plant to get
water,
water and
make their own
water,
food.
their own food and nut-
Yes, nutrients.
nutrients.
Fine. Correct, correct. Now, if I ask you the functioning of each and every part of a plant, now if I ask you what roots do,
The roots give food to the plant, and it
roots do,
gives food to the
it no,
gives
it gets
plant to
water and nutrients from the soil
okay.
because it is underground. Roots is underground, so it gets the water and the nutrients from the soil. Okay, and it holds the plant to the soil. Correct. Now if I talk about the stem is above the ground, so it hold the plant above the ground. It's hold the plant up above the ground, and it takes the water and the nutrients from the roots, and it will give to all parts of the plant. Okay. Now
Yes,
third
mama,
thing
that
is
is correct.
leaves. What leaves do? Leaves can prepare their own food. Okay, leaves can prepare their own food. How? With the help of the air, with the help of the sunlight, with the help of the water. Okay,
Okay.
got it? Understood
Yes,
till here?
yes.
Yeah, very good. It's okay, dear. You'll get time. Okay, slowly you will understand all the things. So when you get time, just start revise about the plant and about the parts of the plant and their functioning. So I hope it's clear.
Yes, it's clear.
Did you enjoy the session?
Yes.
Oh, so like Pramit, like what you have learned new in this session?
Uh, Learning about plants.
Oh, so do you feel interested?
Yes.
Oh, that's great. Nice to hear you. Okay, Prami. So this is all about today's session. So just go and revise it and start draw a part of a plant. Just draw a plant and just label them. What is root? What is stem? What is leaves? What is flowers? What is fruits? And what is seeds? Okay, and then write
Okay.
one line about them. One line about them. Okay, then you will surely understand. Got it? Yeah.
Yes.
And which is your favorite plant, Pramit?
My favorite plant. Yeah.
Actually, there is no favorite plant. It's
I
okay.
have one favorite plant, but it's a tree.
Oh, it's a
It's
tree.
mango
Okay,
tree.
okay. Mango tree means you love mango, right?
Yes.
Oh, that's great. Everyone else loves mango. Okay. Okay, fine, Rami. So stay blessed. I hope to see you in the next sessions. Okay, by the time, take care and do revise what we have discussed in the session. Okay,
Okay.
bye bye. Have a great day.
Bye,
Bye bye.
ma'am.
Take care. Bye. Bye bye.